I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it from me. If you need to dispute a withdrawal on your Ally app, follow these steps to get it sorted out quickly. Step 1. Open the Ally app. Launch the Ally app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, go to the Accounts tab and select the account from which the withdrawal was made. Look for the Transactions option to view your recent activity. Step 3. Identify the withdrawal. Scroll through your transaction history to find a specific withdrawal you want to dispute. Tap on it to see more details, including the date and amount. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Submit and confirm. Review your dispute information and submit it. You should receive a confirmation message or email once your dispute has been successfully filed. Keep an eye on your email for updates. If you accidentally select the wrong transaction, you may need to start the process over, so double check before submitting. Good luck with your dispute, and I hope this helps you resolve the issue quickly.